Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker Philips with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you haven't it, go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And now, right here we have power button at the top of the speaker, so press on it to turn on your speaker. And after that, right here we have Bluetooth button, so press and hold until listed lights start flashing fast. Here we go. And now it entered to pairing mode, so we should see it as a device list. And here we go. Now click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!